Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William in India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I'm part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer for the podcast is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is the Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. It's very important to understand the Nifty's price volume action to gauge the market. For the last 3 to 4 months, the Nifty has been in a very good uptrend. After bottoming out around 16,800 level, Nifty continuously rallied higher and higher. And during this rally, it has found very good support at its 21 DMA, which is a green line here. And this is a very positive step of the rally. And during this rally, also Nifty made a new all-time high, almost touching 20,000 level, which is a very crucial positive level. And most of the investors across the globe have been very happy about this Nifty scaling new highs, even though there are some global uncertainties. But still, Indian economy has been very resilient, and that is reflected in the stock market's movement as well. After the making a new all-time high, there was some profit booking or some selling pressure kept into the markets. This is not just with Indian markets. This has been the theme for the across the globe, majorly because of higher inflation prices. Still, the inflation has not been coming under the expected range across nations. That is one of the major factor that has been hindering rally. And during this selling, Nifty has breached this 21 DMA, which has acted as a good support. And distribution days count has also elevated during the process. That is, distribution days help us to track weakness. The benefit of everyone, distribution day is when a Nifty declines 0.2% or more on volume higher than the previous session. So accumulation of the distribution indicates there is increasing in weakness in the market. So when distribution day count increased to 4, we have and when Nifty breaching its 21 DM, we have changed the market status to uptrend under pressure. After which also we have seen a couple of distribution days. Yesterday also, if you look at this yesterday's candle also, the decline was more than 0.2% and the volume was also higher than the previous session. So we had considered yesterday as also a distribution day. However, yesterday one distribution day has also expired. So on the count basis, it is unchanged. The distribution day count remains at 5. And if you observe, Nifty is trading very close towards its 50 DMA, which has also been a very crucial level for the index. So if there is any selling happening in the today's or the upcoming sessions, then definitely 50 DMA will be tested, and let's see how the market reacts. We are expecting some bounce back from the 50 DMA, but that is just an expectation. So anything can happen. It can reach 50 DMA also. But what we'll do after Nifty breaching 50 DMA is very crucial. We might change the market status to correction, and then we might also halt addition processes, and also will book out profits in the existing model portfolio stocks. When the 50 DMA is breached, then the next support will be around 100 and 200 DMAs, which are very closer. So until then, there is no major support for the index. So further 500, 600 points can be expected on the downside. But if 50 DMA acts as a very good support, then definitely we might see some consolidation and going forward on the Nifty index. This is on the Nifty's front, and let's move on to the few stocks which are in news and which will be under radar during the trading session. Axis Bank, leading private sector bank, one of the leading private sector bank, has come up with two new products. This is under newly introduced easy credit by the RBI's Innovation Hub. Power Finance Corporation has appointed Parmindar Chopra as chairman and managing director. This is the first case of a woman becoming chairman and MD of PFC, which is the largest non-banking financial company in the country. State Bank has taken a decision to extend relief on loans to its customers in Manipur. This is majorly because Manipur there has been unrest going on. So SBI has taken it in a good sense and they have given relief to the customers, Manipur customers. HDFC Group has announced a launch of life insurance and asset management services in Gujarat Gift City. Again, a positive step and financial companies opening their offices in Gift has been the very good scenario. Gujarat has been very good in attracting global financial companies as well. So HDFC opening a life insurance and asset management services in the Gift City will definitely a positive step for the company and as well as for the nation. So overnight, the US has come up with their job claims for the week ended August 12th. The data released came out at 2.39 lakhs. That is a drop from 2.5 lakh in the previous week. So slight decline in the job claims last week. Yesterday, if you're looking at institutional activity, both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors have been net sellers. FIs have sold more than 1,500 crores of Indian equities on net basis, whereas domestic institutional investors were net sellers with selling of around 314 crores of Indian equities. Global cues are definitely on the negative side. If you look at US market, which has predominantly uh, weightage on India's market as well. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, both all three major indices which we track closed in the negative territory. And Nasdaq closed with a deep red of more than 1.17 decline. Asian markets are trading mixed. You can see, except for Shanghai, both Kospi and Nikkei are trading in the negative territory. GIFT Nifty is also indicating a negative opening, slight negative opening for the index, and yesterday Nifty closed around the 19,350 level, somewhere around that. So 50-60 point lower opening can be expected on the Nifty index. And if this happens, 50 DMA will definitely tested in the today's trading session, and let's see how the market reacts near its 50 DMA. So the charter video we picked TVS Motors. We have liked the story. We have looked into the company's prospects, and currently the company has formed a base pattern of consolidation base. Here you can see, and it is trading near its 50 DMA as well, which is a red line here. The stock tried to break out previously around last week of July and first week of August, but it didn't find success. But currently it has been moving sideways and it is trading in a very tight range, and the volumes have also come down. Again, a positive sign. And if the 50 DMA, if the stock finds good support at its 50 DMA, then we might see a breakout happening in this stock. On the ratings front, you can see the stock has very good set of ratings. The EPS of 89 indicates a strong fundamental character. ROE, another major fundamental rating which we'll look into, is also very strong at 25%. You can see the sales the company has generated for the last 6 to 7 quarters, consistent double-digit growth rates, and EPS also has been very consistent. More than double-digit growth rate has been seen by the company. And the price strength has slightly come down to 60. This is majorly because the stock has been moving sideways from last 2 months, June, July, and August. The stock is moving in 1300 to 1400 range, somewhere around that. So that is the reason RS line is also very flat and rating is slightly lower. But if the stock finds good support at 50 DMA, we might see RS line also trending higher. Another key parameter which we look into in any stocks is the institutional sponsorship. You can see the company has been able to attract new funds on each quarter. You can see the significant growth in the number of funds section, almost doubled from 340 within a year, that is within a 4 quarters. The institutional activity has been doubled from 340, it has increased to 680 almost. So we can say very good action and the institutional activity as well. So overall, the stock has been looking very good, both on fundamentals and technicals. And once the stock gives a ideal buy point, then we can consider for addition. If you are holding this, you can keep a stop loss around this level, that is lows made here. So if that lows are breached, you can exit the stock. Thanks for joining today's Prevail. Have a good trading session.